Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you as to what is the draft view in Microsoft Word and what is its function. So let me show you what is a draft view. So I have this sample document in here that has this border and also has this watermark. This one is what I'm pointing on the cursor and also the text, the sample text. Now the draft view that is or the function of the draft view is to display a simplified picture or layout of the document focusing only on the text. It focuses only on the text and not on the layout elements like the border on the watermark. Now let's try to use the draft view. So here you just need to click on the view tab at the top and here you will find draft. Now once we click on draft, so it also has this description. This is useful for quick editing because headers, footers, and certain objects won't show up, allowing you to focus on your text. So once you click on that, the border and the watermark is not included. It only has this text wherein you can focus on your text. So that is the use of the draft view. You can only focus on your text. Now, how can you bring this back to the original document which has the border and the watermark? You can simply click on this print layout and that's it. So that's it. That's the draft view and it's used in your Microsoft Word. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.